In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set the correct Outlook SMTP settings to send emails. First, open Outlook and click File, then select Account Settings and choose Account Settings again. Select the email account you want to configure, then click Change. Verify your incoming and outgoing mail server information, then click More Settings. Open the Outgoing Server tab and make sure My Outgoing Server SMTP requires authentication is enabled. Select Use same settings as my incoming mail server. Next, open the Advanced tab. Enter the SMTP port and encryption method recommended by your email provider. For most Outlook.com and Microsoft 365 accounts, use SMTP server, smtp.office365.com, port 587 and encryption, StartLS or TLS depending on your Outlook version. Click OK, then Next, and let Outlook test your account settings. If the test is successful, click Finish to save your changes. That's how to set the correct Outlook SMTP settings to send emails. Thanks for watching.